Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2021, first video of the year for me. This is just an open box and quick review of a tool set that I bought from NewType. This is being promoted on their page right now. For those that don't know, NewType sells various Gundam Bandai products. I've ordered from them before, and anyway, this was a promotional deal that they had that was a limited edition tool set, and it looked pretty cool, so I decided to buy it and check it out. It is celebrating the Lunar New Year, the year of the ox. So without further ado, I'm going to open this up. Okay, it's got a nice red box. And now we open it up. And there we go. Okay, first off, this is, we'll see, but out of 520 of these that they put out, I believe it was 520, there were the first 80 that people bought randomly would have a gift card to get an additional prize on their site. So thank you for being part of our Lunar New Year's celebrations. We wish you the best in the coming year. So I will enter that in the site and find out, we'll find out what it is. We'll go ahead and open this up now. And then we'll get right to the set. Oh, good enough. Okay, we have a pair of nippers. If I can get them out. Well, how am I doing? I don't think I can get those out of there. I'm stuck in there pretty good. There we go. Okay, this is a pair of nippers. These are, I believe they're 0.30. And, yeah, excuse me, 3.0. They're sprue cutters. Very nice pair. Display, I guess they put out a lot of stuff. They compete with God Hand, I guess you could say. And those are the sprue cutters that come with it. Okay, this is... Probably can't get that out either. How am I doing? This is a scribe handle. So it's a scribe handle. And these are actually held on the top with magnets. I thought that's pretty cool. I think this one comes off as well. So there you have a scribe handle. And Display puts out different ones. Different sizes. And you have a little sheath for your sprue cutters. Year of the ox on it. And my numbered one, so it is 520. Right here it says I got 184 of 520. And I believe that's the scribe piece in there. And that looks more like... Sorry, I'm not on the camera. Not sure what that piece is. It looks to be a tool. Well, I'll figure that I didn't see that in the description, so let's see. This STA 3.0 nipper, a special version of the ATTH handle, and a gold printed nipper cover packaged in a numbered custom box. Yeah, okay. So there you have it. Put the get everything back together here. So again, this is by Display with Display Tools with new type, and this is a special promo they're doing. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. So that's it. We'll punch this in and find out what our other prizes. One of them was a Hobby Vice, so it's really a pretty good deal. I believe it's going on the site for. Well, you can just go and look for yourself. But to me, it was a good enough deal that I thought I'd give it a shot, and it was something cool to have. So that's it. Display new type Year of the Ox limited edition tool set. Thanks for watching.